Hi friends. So what are the 7 most common things or most important instructions that a patient with back pain should follow? Number 1 is regular exercise. If you are suffering from chronic back pain, then you should definitely do 20 minutes of exercises daily for at least 5 days in a week. Now, these 20 minutes of exercises you can do at home also. We have videos in Hindi and as well as in English for back exercises. These exercises are known as extension and core muscle strengthening exercises. You can learn them from a physiotherapist also. So do these exercises regularly at home. They will take hardly 10 to 12 minutes of your daily time. And these exercises will give you tremendous relief. So from our channel, you can see these videos which are available in all 3 languages, Hindi, English, as well as foreign languages like Arabic also. Next important thing is when you are bending forward to lift something from the ground. Like now, if I have to lift up this bottle from the ground, one way of doing is if I bend down from my back like this and then lift it up. But this is the wrong way of doing it. The correct way of lifting anything from the ground is I should sit down with my knees bent, then I should hold that object, and then I should get up so that my back is straight all the time. Next important thing is my sitting chair, how it should be. So this is the ideal sitting chair, how it should be at your workplace or at your home. It should have hand support like this, so that when you're sitting, your hands are well supported. The back angle or the back slant should be around 110 degrees. It should have support in your lower back area, so that when you sit, your lower back is supported. Next, this angle, which is known as the lordotic angle or the natural curve of the spine, should always be there in any chair which you are using. Next, the upper back support should be there. So when you are sitting, your spine is supported till here. Also, when you sit, your lower back should touch this area so that it is well supported. Next important thing is when you are sitting, your feet should touch the ground. If your legs are hanging, that is not good for your back. So use any chair in which your feet are well supported on the ground or there is a support for the legs when you are sitting. Next important thing while selecting a chair is there should be some amount of movement. Like in this chair, I can move this chair a little bit back and forth. So when I'm sitting on this chair, I can move it a little bit so that my back is relaxed when I'm going back. And whenever I want to come forward and do my work, it is well supported as well. So use this type of chair for sitting for in your office or at your home, wherever you are working for long hours. Next important thing is you should never use a sofa or a bed for sitting and working. Especially when you're working on a laptop, if you're sitting on a sofa for long or you're sitting on your bed, you're inviting trouble. Next important thing is if you are a regular gym goer and you are doing weightlifting regularly, it is important that supposing if this is the weight which I am doing, if I hold it away from my body and do exercise like this, my back is going to hurt. That is because the further the weight is from my body, the more pressure is coming onto the lower back. So the weight should be close to my body like this. So if you're working out in a gym, better to use equipments with pulleys or where the weight is close to your body so that minimum amount of pressure comes onto your lower back. Next important thing is that you should keep your weight also under control. Supposing if somebody is having a pot belly, that means he's carrying too much of weight just in front of the back. So if you're having too much of weight or if your body is heavy, then you are inviting back pain in future. So always keep your weight down. Try to keep it as low as possible because that will help in your back pain as well as for the knee pain. Last and the most important thing is you should avoid smoking, tobacco or alcohol because these 3 things, they reduce the blood flow to the discs in the spine. So if the blood flow decreases, the disc degenerates faster and that leads to back pain. Thank you.